Alright, what is going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing another crypto video. Just want to do a very quick analysis on CasperLabs, just do a bit of an update video. There's a little bit to talk about. It is Christmas, so I just thought I'd come on, do a quick video. And yeah, just want to say this video is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So we look at it. This descending channel was forming, and if you've been following the channel, you know about this. We talked about this for a long time. There's a big couple handle that has formed. And I've spoken about this a lot, and it has a price target up here of 38 cents. So we formed this big channel and it's come down quite significantly, quite a long way actually, mostly due to the fact that it's just happened to take place at the time that Bitcoin's had a big correction. So we're down about 50% from this high at 23 cents. But we have broken out. So here's the important thing. We have broken out of the channel, and we also have tested support, which is pretty important. So here's a breakout, and then obviously here's with tested support, which is just extremely important to come down, test support, and we confirmed it. So we've now confirmed the breakout, and we could start that move, that big move. This could be the bottom for that big move back to 23 cents, breakout, and then go for that big target of like 38 cents and move forward. I think it's definitely potential. We have had breakouts in the past, nothing that's held support, and so this is the first time I've seen that from this breakout. So I think that's pretty important. The other thing we can see is a bit of a sideways moving channel, which is fine. We can see this, that's okay. Therefore, we may come down and test this line 11 cents again. Be pretty dependent on what Bitcoin decides to do in the next 12, 24 hours. But I really do think that Casper can start that move back to this upper level. And we've seen Casper outperform Bitcoin and make this big move when Bitcoin wasn't performing well. And so it definitely has potential to do that once again if we can get that breakout of the channel and start to move back up. Testing support on that line is absolutely awesome. It's good to see. I said that could be a possibility. In my last video, I said that Casper, we had the breakout, but Casper might come down and test support and see what happens. And obviously we did. We tested it and we bounced off. So that's really bullish. Good signs for Casper. Another thing to look at, Casper Bitcoin is pretty important, I would say. Forming a descending triangle. And we're currently on the bottom line, so we're testing support at the moment. It would be nice to break out to the upside here if we could do that, break out to the upside, and then start that move back up. And hopefully we don't come down to this bottom line and retest. Hopefully we just have a little bit of a sideways movement here before we do another move up. From there we could look at a cup and handle as well. That would be extremely bullish to get back up. And then if we could break this top line in the next sort of month, that'd be very bullish and just show that Casper has potential to really outperform Bitcoin in the in 2022, I guess, in Q1 2022. Or if that takes place in Q1, then maybe Q2 or Q3 is where Casper really outperforms Bitcoin. So that's also something to look at. As for Bitcoin, in my opinion, it's forming a bit of a bull flag. As we can see, there's this falling wedge and forming a bit of a bull flag. And as I just shown that target, if we're to get a breakout, the target is about 54,000. And so if Bitcoin can have a big pump to 54K, well, that gets us above the bull market support band, which is extremely important. And then we could see just quite a good move for Bitcoin, for altcoins, the whole market, and just see really Bitcoin make good moves. And therefore Casper starts to make good moves as well. So as for the short term, I would say we are looking relatively solid. Like we saw this line take place, symmetrical triangle formed, then that broke out. We had another big move, which is a bit smaller, and then another, well, not a triangle formed, but a channel, size moving channel, then another breakout. And this does sometimes happen where you just have this continuation of bull flags, I guess, and we have good moves forward. It's not guaranteed by any means, it is just speculation, but it's just something to watch out for and see what happens. Maybe, the next 12, 24 hours, we do have that spike and we break past 52K, which is pretty key resistance, then past 53, 54,000 and land somewhere there. And then the whole story will change for Bitcoin in the crypto market. Because once we get above the bull market support band, which is a 21-week EMA and 20-week simple moving average, once we get above that, then we look really bullish again. And we want to hold that as support and then start to move forward. So look, I am bullish on Casper. I think has massive potential in 2022. I think this cup and handle is very legit. And if we can get back up to this level, that Casper can really start to make some solid moves. So let me know what you think in the comments. Please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll catch you later.